Hi, I'm John with Andgar. Today we're going to be doing a furnace maintenance as part of our Peak Performance Plan. Peak Performance Plan covers yearly maintenance on your heating and cooling equipment. It ensures proper operation and helps to prevent failures. Part of our maintenance is testing the capacitor. If it starts getting weak, it will cause the motor to work harder. Flame sensor is a piece that we clean during maintenance. It will get some carbon buildup on it. We're going to inspect your igniter, looking for any cracks or overheated spots. So right now we're cleaning the burners. Next we're going to change the air filters. We're checking the heat exchanger, making sure that the safety switches are all intact, there's no loose electrical connections. Cleaning is a big part of our maintenance. All this is being done so that we can ensure that your equipment is going to operate properly, safely, and be efficient and be reliable.
We enjoyed having the Peak Performance Plan with Andgar. Each year they call and they set up an appointment to come out and check my furnace. They make sure it's ready to go before I turn on the heat in the fall.
Everything on this furnace is looking great. If you would like to be on our Peak Performance Plan for your heating or cooling equipment, please call us at 360-366-9900.